start. Chalo, let's start. Here, arithmetic mean. Here, we'll be doing this is your central tendency. After this sampling distribution, this is the toughest topic. Remember, everyone pay attention. This is the toughest topic in your ABM. Toughest. Numericals are really tough. Okay. So everyone focus on the full class. Okay. Let's start. Let's start with the easy ones. Find the arithmetic mean of the following. Now look at this. This is known as a group data. Now two things are there. One is grouped and second is ungrouped. Ungrouped means what? Ungrouped means which doesn't have the frequency. It doesn't have the frequency. F is not there. Only X is there. Suppose if I tell you find the arithmetic mean of only 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers. So this is known as ungrouped data. Whenever plus 5 plus 10 plus 8 plus blah 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 up to 2. Okay? Got it everyone? So do it. So 5 into 1, 2 into 6, 3 into 6. If you do the total, you will get it as 173. And here, if you do the total below, 43. So you'll get the average mean, arithmetic mean as 4.02. Clear? These are the simpler problems. Now, we are having more difficult later. Next, find the arithmetic mean of the following data. Now, this arithmetic means here. Look at this as well as this, the difference between them. This is continuous data. 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Here you don't have a number. Like you had it over here. X equals to 1, 2, 3. Right? So here you have to find this number. This number is known as class mark. This X is known as class mark. Okay, class mark. It is always the center. So 20 to 30, center is 25. 30 to 40, center is 35. 40 to 50, center is 45, and so on. Once you get this class mark, 25, 35, 45, then the problem is same as that of the above. Then the problem is same as that of the above. Hold on. (35 into 12, 45 into 10, and so on. Divided by 5 plus 12 plus 10 plus 14 plus all this. So it is total. So remember, whenever you get the continuous data, in exam, there are more chances of you getting this problem for 1 mark. Okay? You will get this problem for 1 mark. More chances. Okay? So you'll have to find the class mark first, and then you'll have to find out the frequency and this X. Okay? Got it everyone? Clear? Move on. Good evening. Next, same one. This is the same one, so we'll continue. Leave this. Same one. Next, let me see. See this one. If the mean of the following distribution is 54, find the value of X. Same problem again. Mean is given. See here you know the answer. X you know, X bar, you know it. Okay? You don't know X. Where is X? This X you don't know. So same logic. First find out the class mark 0 to 20. So half is 10. Here 30, 50, 70, right? And 90. So do it now. 10 into 7 plus 30 into X plus 50 into 10 plus 70 into 9 plus 90 into 13. Do it in the numerator. In the denominator, do the total. 7 plus X plus 10 plus 9 plus 13. Say this. So this mean what do you get? You know it as 54. So if you do the total of this, so this will be what? 70 plus this is what 500 plus 70 into 9 630 plus 1170. So if you do the total of these, you'll get it as 2370 plus 30 into x, this one 30 into x, divided by, if you do the total of this now, 17 plus 26, then 29 39, 39 plus x. So this answer is 54. So now what you do? You solve this. Multiply this 39 plus x into 54. Let me see if I have solved this. Yeah, I have solved this. See this. So if you multiply this, you'll 2370 plus 30x equals to 54 into 39 plus x. Solve this. 54 into 39, 2106. 54 into x, 54x. Take x on the same side, other things on the other side. So 2370 minus 2106, that is 264. And is 30 on this side. So it is 24. 54 minus 30, 24. So 264 equals to 24x. So x equals to 264 upon 24. So it is 11. Clear everyone? Problem is very simple. You have to just find out x. Use the same formula of summation fx upon n. Remember? Okay? Simple problem, but you have to be you have to know what is to be done. Okay? Move on. Next, find a combined arithmetic mean. Combined arithmetic mean means, say this, if there are two means, x1 bar and x2 bar, again these are the two arithmetic means and two sample sizes are given, n1 and n2. Then the combined arithmetic mean of x bar of the two is known as what? Now what do you mean by this problem? Firstly, understand the problem. There are two groups, say this, group number 1, second is group number 2. Okay, everyone pay attention. This chapter is the most difficult chapter. Okay, so 7 here, this is group number 1, this is group number 2. The mean of first one is 7. The mean of second one is 9. So this is what, see this, x1 and x2. x1 is 7, x2 is 9. Look at this figure. x1 is 7, x2 is 9. Okay, and sample size you don't know. Okay, anything, 10 over here, 15 over here, anything it can be. Okay, so now you know n1 also and x1 also, n2 also and x2 also. Now you want to find the combined mean of these two, combined means. Okay, so combined mean is given as this way, n1 into x1 plus n2 into x2 upon n1 plus n2. n1 x1 plus n2 x2 upon n1 plus n2. Okay, now remember, n1 x1 means what? You know both of them. n1 also you know, x1 also you know. It will be given to you in exam. Okay, now similarly, if you have three groups, then what? Same, no change. n1 x1 plus n2 x2 plus n3 x3 upon n1 plus n2 plus n3. If you have four groups, same, no change. Okay, just add n4 x4 and below n4. That's it. Got it? Clear? We'll solve the numerical. In a private club, there are 200 members. So total there are 200 members. 100 are men, 80 are women, and 20 are children. Okay, so 100 men, 80 women, 20 children. The average weight of men, women and children is 60, 50 and 35. So average weight is given for each. Now you tell me 100, 80 and 20. 100, 80 and 20 will be what? Will be n or will be x? Means, is this a mean or is this a sample size? What is this 100, 80 and x? Is it n or is it x? Who can tell me? 100, 80 and 20. These are basically x, sample size. This is not mean. Mean is basically 60, 50 and 35. Okay? Yeah. So 60, 50 and 35 is basically the mean. Okay, mean 60, 50 and 35, that is the mean. So that is basically x. Yeah, okay, that is basically 60, 50 and 35, that is the mean. Okay, so that is x. And 100, 80 and 20 is n. So you write this now, n1, n2, n3. There are 3 n now. And this x1, x2, x3. There are 3x now. Now you have to find out the average. So average means what? n1 x1 plus n2 x2 plus n3 x3. So 60 into 100 plus 50 into 80 plus 35 into 20, right? Getting this, everyone? Divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. Just divide by this this n. So n1 plus n2 plus n3 will be 200 only, because it's given that total is 200. So do it, you will get the answer. It is 10,700 upon 200. So 53.5. Clear? Simple one. These are all simple problems. An average daily wage of 90 workers in a factory is 60. So average daily wage of 90 workers is 60. Average daily wage of a female worker is 45. Calculate the average daily wage of a male worker if 1/3 of the workers are male. Now, understand this. How many workers are there in all? 90. Out of that, what is given? 1/3 are male. Look at this. 1/3 are male means 1/3 of 90. So that is 30. So 30 are male. Then how many females? 90 minus 30, 60. Right? So 60 you got it females and 30 you got it males. So that is basically n. N is always the number. Number of persons, number of everything. Okay? Average daily wage is 60. So this is x, but this is which x? This is the final x. Average of all. So this is this x, 60. Average daily wage of female workers is 45. So this is what? This is of x2. x2. See here, if you take n2 as female, then you take x2 as this average of females. So 60, 45. And what about x1? That you don't know. Calculate the average daily wage of male workers. This is what you want to find out, x1. So now the formula is simple, same. X bar equals to n1 x1 plus n2 x2 upon n1 plus n2. n1 you know, 30. x1 you don't know. n2 you know, 60. x2 you know, 45. Upon n1 plus n2 you know, 90. And its total average, complete average, you know, that is 60. So do it now. So it is 30 into x1 plus 60 into 45. So 60 into 45 is what? 2700. Look at this. 30x1 plus 2700 upon 90. So that is equal to 60. Okay. So now go on cancelling the zeros, wherever possible. Cancel this 0 first. So you get 3x1 plus 270 upon 9 equals to 60. Solve this now. Take 9 on the other side. Okay. Then 270 subtract. So 3x1 equals to, you'll get it as 270, I think so. Yeah. 3x1 equals to, see this, 9 6 are 54, 540 minus 270. So you'll get it as 270 over here. So 3x1 equals to 270. Have I solved this? No. So 3x1 equals to 270. Everyone, do you know to solve this? I assume that you know this, how to solve the equations. Okay, 60 into 9 equals to 3x1 plus 270. So this is 540 equals to 3x1 plus 270. Take 270 on the other side. Therefore 3x1, I'll write it over here. 3x1 equals to 270. So x1 equals to 90, right? 3 on this other side, so 90. So X1 is 90. So number of average daily wage of male workers is 90. Got it, everyone? Move on. Mean observations was found out to be, let me see if this is correct. Yeah. Mean observation of 25 observations was found out to be 78.4. But later it was found that 96 was misread as 69. Find a corrected mean. So there were 25 observations, out of the mean was 78.4. But one of the numbers of those 25 was 96 was misread as 69. So correct one was 96, but wrong one was 69. It was read as 69. So what does it mean? Write 25 numbers. Here, you don't know the 25 numbers. Write them like this. See this, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, all this, plus 25, x25 upon 25 equals to 78.4. Okay. So it was 96 was misread as 69. So here I have written 69. I don't want actually 69. I actually want 96. But I wrote it 69. So now first solve this. We have to remove this 69. Okay, because that is wrong. So you'll have to first solve this. 25 into 78.4. This becomes 1960. Okay. Now what you have to do? 69 is to be removed. So minus 69. See this, minus 69. Do minus 69 and 96 is to be added. So add plus 96. So if you whatever you do over here, same thing will be continued over here. So 69 minus 69, same thing. 1960 minus 69 plus 96. So if you solve this, 1960 minus 69 plus 96. Okay. If you solve this, you will get the answer. Plus, now we want the average. So average means whatever answer you get. What is the answer you are getting? 1960 minus 69 plus 96. What is the answer you are getting, everyone? (1960) minus 69 plus 96. Okay. So it is 1987. Everyone pay attention. Very difficult problems now. We are starting with the difficult ones. So it is 1967. No? Let me check. 1987. So 1987. So now this all these numbers total is 1987. So average will be what? Average is 1987 divided by 25. So that answer will get it as 79.48. So this is your answer, 79.48. Got it, everyone? Clear? Move on. Same problem continued. The mean salary of 50 employees of a company was computed as 680. Later it was found that Mr. X had taken salary of Mr. X was taken 270 instead of 720. So 270 was taken, so that was wrong, and 720 was correct. So we wrote 270 instead of 780. So same thing now. 680 per month and 50 employees. So find out the total first. So if I do this like this as the earlier problem, see here, this is given in the new format, but it's one and the same. Okay. So if I do it like the earlier problem, it was x1 plus x2 2 plus all these numbers 50 plus 49 will be there, plus last one will be, let's say what, 270 I took it. Wrong was 270. So upon 50, right? So that is equal to given as what? 680. So now multiply this 680 into 50. So this x1 plus x2 plus all this plus 270 equals to, do this, it is 34,000. But I want to remove this 270. So I'll do minus 270. So same from here, minus 270 plus 720 plus 720. So same over here, plus 720. So now get the answer. Do this 34,000 minus 270 plus 70. So you'll get this as 34,450. So this answer becomes 34,450. So this is what the average total you have got it. Now you want the average. So 34,450 upon 50. 689. Getting it? Clear? Simple one. Chalo. Next one. Geometric mean. Now this geometric mean, this formula is a bit difficult to understand. It is nth root of x1 into x2 into x3 into xn. So many numbers, whatever it is. Okay. So nth root of all these. Suppose means, what do you mean by this nth root? Suppose I want square root. If I have two numbers, let's say x1 and x2. So this n will become 2. So it is square root of x1 into x2. So geometric mean equals to square root of x1 into x2. Similarly, suppose if I have 5 numbers, then fifth root of x1 into x2 into x3 into x4. So all these numbers given. See this. Find the geometric mean of these 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now n equals to what? 4. So you'll find out the fourth root. So fourth root of, see this, fourth root means raised to 1 upon n. It's one and the same. So fourth root of this n1 into n2 into n3 into n4. So multiply this. You'll get this as 115,200. Fourth root of this. Now how to find out the fourth root? How to find out the fourth root? In your normal calculus also nowadays, you have a function of raised to. In your normal calculus also you have a function of raised to x raised to y. So use that. X raised to y, what do you do? Put this x as 115,200 and y as 1 upon 4. Use this y as 1 upon 4. See this, use the function in your normal calculus, x raised to y function. Y, okay? So x equals to 115,200 and y equals to 1 upon 5, or you can do it 0.25 also. So do this and you'll get this answer 18.423. Okay? This is the only way to find out, remember. Because there is one more way to find out the fourth root, but that is very time consuming. That you don't do it. Do this x raised to y only. Now this was of ungrouped data. Look at this, ungrouped. Ungrouped means what? That data which doesn't have the frequency. That data which doesn't have the frequency. Only single data is given. Now we'll find out of group data. So group data is what? Square nth root of. Now look at this. X raised to f1 into x raised to f2. Now this is raised to, we are getting into the difficult problems now. See this. X raised to f1 into x raised to f2, x2 raised to f2 into blah blah blah, xn raised to fn. Okay? Raised to 1 upon n. See here, it is same as that of the ungrouped only. Only it is raised to, because there was no frequency. Here there is a frequency. So x1 raised to f1 into x2 raised to f2 into go on doing it, raised to 1 upon n. So now where x1, x2, x3 are numbers, n observations, and f is a frequency. Now look at this numerical. Find the geometric mean of these numbers. 1, see this is x, x1, x2, x3, x4. This is frequency, f1, f2, f3, f4. Okay? So x1 raised to f1. So 1 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6, 3 raised to 5, 4 raised to 10. See this, multiply them. The whole raised to 1 upon f. See this, 1 upon n. Okay? So 1 upon n is what? This total of frequencies. N is always total of frequencies. So 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10. So do this. Now do the multiplication first. 1 raised to 5, 1. 2 raised to 6. Okay? So this you need to know. Okay? 2 raised to 6 is 64, I think so. Yeah. 3 raised to 5, this also. So you can do it on your calci also. You have on the calci you have this function x raised to y. Okay. Then raised to 1 upon n. Do this. Final answer will be 2.407. Finding this is very important. Using the calci is very important. You must first know to use the calci. Okay, x raised to y function is of great importance over here. Got it, everyone? Move on. Harmonic mean. Now see this. We found out, firstly, what did we do? Up till now, what have we done? We have found out arithmetic mean of ungrouped and grouped. Then we have found out geometric mean of ungrouped and grouped. Now we'll be doing harmonic mean of ungrouped and grouped. Again, all of them are having the two levels only, ungrouped and grouped. What is harmonic mean? Harmonic mean is known as ROR. ROR means what? Reciprocal of reciprocals. Reciprocal of reciprocals. Okay? So, look at this. The formula. N upon, this is for ungrouped data. N upon summation of 1 upon x. All this is known as x. 10, 24, 15, 32. This is x. So 1 upon x. Firstly, what do you do? Remember ROR. Reciprocal of reciprocal. First you find out this reciprocal. So 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 32. First you do this addition. 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 32. You can directly do it on your calci. Okay. So you'll get this answer as 0.2396. Now this R is done. So ROR. So now 4 upon, say this, n upon summation 1 upon x. So n is 4 and summation 1 upon x, you got it 2396 point. So 4 upon 0.2396. Okay. 4 upon 0.2396. So it is 16.69. Everyone, kindly focus on the method and use hands-on on the calci should be there. Use the calci to practice these. Remember, in exam, I'm again telling you, those who are watching on YouTube, you also, those who are in the paid class, you also. You will definitely get almost 8 to 10 marks from this chapter. 8 to 10 marks. Okay? And if you know the formula, it's very easy. If you have the practice, it's very easy. Those who have not joined up till now, watching it on YouTube, kindly join the batches ASAP. Today might be the last class of yours on free. From tomorrow, there won't be anything free. Okay? So join it ASAP. Very important chapter. Tomorrow we'll be doing this correlation. That is more tougher. Correlation and one more chapter we'll be doing. 2 chapters we'll be doing tomorrow. That is these are very tough. Okay? So, have you got this harmonic mean, everyone? Type yes in the comment section if you've got this harmonic mean. Got it? Remember, it is one ROR. Always remember ROR. Reciprocal of reciprocal. First you find out the first reciprocal, summation, and then this reciprocal of that, n upon all this. Okay. So next, now this was ungrouped data. Now group data is also same, no change in this. Look at the formula, same, n upon, only instead of 1 you are having this f, frequency. See here, whenever you don't have the frequency, you have 1. Whenever you have the frequency, you add this frequency. So f, see this, group data is n upon, again same, ROR only. But here this reciprocal will have frequency. So f upon x. So now do this. X is given, f is given. So x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. F equals to 5650. So what you do? Summation of first you do this reciprocal. This lower part you do it first. Then you go for the above one. Okay. So lower part is what? F upon x. So 5 upon 1 plus 6 upon 2 plus 5 upon 3 plus 10 upon 4. See this. First you solve the denominator. ROR. Okay. So 5 upon 1 plus 6 upon 2 plus 5 upon 3 plus 10 upon 4. Do this. You'll get this answer as 12.166. And then what you have to do? N upon. What is N? N is always the total of frequencies. 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10. So 26. So 26 upon 12.166. So that is equal to 2.137. So harmonic mean is 2.137. Okay. Always remember harmonic mean, its basic logic is n upon 1 upon x. That is the basic logic of harmonic mean. Wherever you have frequencies, you will use f instead of this 1. Okay. So n upon summation f upon x. Look at this formula. Arithmetic mean will always be greater than harmonic mean, which will always be greater than geometrical mean. Theory question, this is asked on it. Definitely you will get a question on this. Who is the biggest one? Arithmetic or harmonic or geometric? So always remember, arithmetic is the biggest one, then harmonic is smaller and geometric is still smaller. Okay. And one more formula. A into H equals to G square. See this, you remember it this way. AH equals to G square. This question was there in December also and May also. This question. AH equals to G square. Remember this by heart. Arithmetic mean into harmonic mean equals to G square. May 23, December 23, same question. Okay. AH equals to G square. They'll give you one numerical, very simple one they'll give you. Harmonic mean of two numbers A and B. Means find the harmonic mean. If their arithmetic mean is 16 and geometric mean is 8. Okay. So arithmetic mean is given as 16. So A is, you know, A. Geometric mean, you know, 8. So put in the formula. AH equals to G square. So 16 into H equals to G square is 8 square, 64. So 16 into H equals to 64. So H equals to what? 64 upon 16. Okay, 64 upon 16. It should be 16 upon 16. Okay, so this is 4. Okay. So remember this. This formula, this question was there in both December also and May also. Even this time it will be there. AH equals to G square. And one more important part which is given above. This is a theory question. Which is the biggest one? So biggest one is always arithmetic mean, smaller is harmonic and smallest is geometric. Okay. Median. Median is what? Median is known as the middle value. Now what is the median? Basically how to find out the median? See here, first you have to arrange them in the serial order. Okay. Means look at these numbers. See this. See these numbers. See numbers given are 7, 2, 3, 1. These are the numbers given. So first you arrange them in serial order, either ascending or descending. So what do? You'll arrange them like this. 1, then next one bigger one, 2, then 3, and then 7. So median means what? The center of the numbers. Which is the center? 2 and 3 are the centers. Here there are 4 numbers. So in center you will have 2 and 3. So find the average of 2 and 3. So it is 2.5. So your median over here will be 2.5. Okay. So median is always the central number. Central. Whenever you have even numbers, the median will not be there in the given numbers. Whenever you have odd numbers, suppose if I give you only three numbers, 7, 2 and 3. So arrange them in serial order, 2, 3 and 7. So median will be 3. So always remember, whenever you have odd numbers, median will be there in the numbers, given numbers. And whenever you have even numbers, median will never be there in the given numbers. Okay, it will be center of the two numbers. Central two numbers. Okay, so that is median. The median is the middle value of distribution. Median of a distribution is the value of the variable which divides it into two equal parts. Okay. Quartile. Quartile is similar to median, only divides into four equal parts. Okay. Quartile will divide it into four equal parts. That's it. Means whatever numbers are given, you have to divide it into four equal parts. Okay. First one is known as Q1, first quartile. Second one is known as quartile 2. So this is same as median. Here, median will always be same as quartile 2. Third one is quartile 3. And last one is whatever is the final number. So it is like this, 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. Quartile 1 will always be 25%. Quartile 2 will be 50%. Quartile 3 will be 75%. This is a quartile. See, this is known as a normal distribution curve. Yesterday we saw it in that numerical. So this is normal distribution curve. This is 25th percentile, 25%. This is 50th percentile. This is 75th percentile, 75%. Okay, and this is the last 100. Okay, so quartile means what? Quartile means basically 25%, four numbers, three quartiles are there, Q1, Q2 and Q3. What is interquartile range? Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 minus Q1. Okay. So that is interquartile range. If they ask you to find out interquartile, it's very easy. Q3 minus Q1. See this median. If n is odd, then median will be among the given numbers. If n is odd, it will be among the given numbers. Just now I told you. And if n is even, then it will not be there in the given numbers. Look at this. Suppose if I give you these numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So arrange them in serial order. They are in serial order. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. They are in serial order. Now find out the central number. Central number is 5. So median is 5. Median is 5. Central number, which divides it into equal two parts. This 2, this 2. So that is 5. But look at the above ones. 2, 7, 3, 5. So arrange them in serial order. 2, 3, 5 and 7. 3, 5 and 7. Okay, now central number is what? Now there is no single number. So what do? You find out the two numbers which are at the center and average of them. 3 and 5. Average is 4. So that is the median. 3 plus 5 divided by 2. Okay, so that is 4. Got it? So whenever you have the even numbers, in the given numbers, and whenever you have the odd numbers, your median will be there in the given numbers. Okay, see here, even numbers, median will be different. Odd numbers, median will be among the given numbers. Got it, everyone? Find this. Find the median of 34, 32, 48, 38, 24, 30, 27, 30, and all these numbers. So first what you do, arrange them in serial order. Which is the lowest one? 21. Which is the highest one? I think so, 48. So go on arranging them. 21, 24, 27, 30, all these. How many numbers are there? First count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So it's easy. 9 means odd numbers. So find the central number. Central number is 32. So your median is 32. Okay, 32. Got it? Median is always found out using n plus 1 upon 2. N plus 1. What is n? Total numbers. 9. 9 plus 1 upon 2. So 10. 10 upon 2, 5. So find out this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth number. So this will be 32. Okay. So n plus 1 upon 2. Always remember. Okay. For odd numbers. For even, if the median of the daily wages of 10 workers of the find the median of the 10 workers. So 10 workers are given. 10. So now 10 means what? Arrange them in serial order now. See this. All these numbers are given. Arrange them in serial orders. 8, 9, 11, 14, blah, blah, blah. Now there are 10 numbers. So whenever you have 10 numbers, what you do? You'll find out the central two numbers, 15 and 17. Okay? So it will be what? 15 and 17. So it is 15 plus 17 upon 2. So it is 16. So this will be your median. Okay? Got it? So this is median. Central two numbers divided by 2. Average. This we have already done it. Arithmetic mean. Oh, now the most difficult ones. Most difficult ones. Huh? Now we are coming to the most difficult ones. One sec. Yeah. Let me see how much time is there. Half an hour is there. Yeah. We'll try to complete as much as possible because quartile is also there. Yeah. Okay, let's take a break of 2 minutes. Okay, and then we'll start this. Let's take a break of 2 minutes. Hold on. Let me write that on the slide. Hold on. Chalo, welcome back everyone. Chalo, let's start. Find the median of the group data. Now median of the ungrouped data is very easy. See this median of the ungrouped data. That was easy. This one. Serial order, central number, odd numbers, then the middle number, even number, then the middle of the two numbers, average. That was easy. This group data is difficult. Now you will be having two formulae which are difficult ones. One is this, and second one is there, that is mode. Okay, so you'll be having these two formulae which are difficult. You have to perfectly remember this. Perfectly. Why? Because after this you will be getting quartile formula, quartile, which is also the same. Only this n upon 2 changes over there. Remaining everything is same. So you have to remember this without any fail. L1 plus L2 minus L1 into n upon 2 minus CF. CF is what? This is known as cumulative frequency. This is less than cumulative. Yesterday I showed you greater than and less than. Greater than means what? Starting from the top end and going towards the bottom. Less than means what? Starting from the lower end and going towards the top. Okay. So L1 plus L2 minus L1 bracket into n upon 2 minus CF, the whole upon F. L1 is separate. Remember this by heart. Okay. Let's solve. Find the median of the group following data. So this is the class interval. 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60 and this. This is class interval and this is frequency. Now you have to find out the median. So first find out what is n. N means what? Total of the frequencies. Here, what do you require first? You require these all terms. L1, L2, N, CF. So first find out N. N is important. How do you get N? Total of these frequencies. What is total of frequencies? 26 plus 8 means 8 plus 26 plus 30 plus 20 plus 16. If you do the total, you'll get it 100. So N equals to 100. So N upon 2 is what? N upon 2 is 50. Okay? N upon 2 is 50. Now look at it. When you say N upon 2 is 50. So how will you get this N upon 2 now? Everyone focus on the problem. This is the almost 3-mark problem which you will get. Or you will get it as a 5-mark problem also. Okay? So N upon 2 you got it 50. Now write this table in vertical form. Look at this. 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and all this. Frequency write it 8, 26, 30, 20, 16 all, right? See here. Importantly remember we require the cumulative frequency. Cumulative. Okay, cumulative frequency. Now what is cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency is total. See this, 8, 8, 26 plus 8, 34, 34 plus 30. Now look at this. I'll go on adding this. 8 plus 26, 34. 34 plus 30, 64. 64 plus 20, 84. 84 plus 16, 100. Okay. And what is this class mark? This they should have written it over here. See this. This table, it's given in the book of yours. Yeah, direct question will be asked. Sirisha, direct question will be asked. They won't be asking you anything indirect. Simple. The question format on this will be very simple. They'll simply give you this much and find out the median. That's it. Okay, simple question will be given. First, you have to draw this vertical form. N, first find out N upon 2. Then you got this N upon 2. Now write this in vertical format. Now this vertical format means, see this. I'll show you this L, this class mark. This class mark should be, I should write it over here actually, class mark. In your book it is given over here, class mark. Okay, I'll write it over here. Because then it becomes easy for you to understand X. So this class mark is what, 25. See, what is class mark? Center, 20 and 30. Center is 25, 35. This is easy, 35, 45, 55, 65. Right? You got this? Cancel this. This is not required. Okay? So now look at this. Frequency and cumulative frequency. Frequency is 8, 26, 30, 20, 16. Cumulative is what? Addition. 8 equals to 8. First one is always the same. Second one is what? Addition. What is the addition? 8 plus 26. So 34. 34 plus 30. 64. 64 plus 20. 84. 84 plus 16. 100. So now what do you want? N upon 2. What was N upon 2? 50. So where does 50 lie? See this. It should be, you should search in this cumulative frequency. Where is this 50 lying? 50 will lie between 34 and 64. Look at this. 34 and 64. 50 is between these two. So you will take this class 40 and 50. Wherever you get this this cumulative frequency half 50, take that class. Next one, not the earlier one. Don't take 34. Take the next one. Okay. So 40 minus 50. Now look at this. 40 and 50. Now this is a lower one, L1. What do you want? You want all this L1, L2, L1, L2, CF, F and 34. Okay. So L1 is lower one, 40. L2 is bigger one, 50. Okay. CF means what? This earlier one, CF, 34. CF is the earlier one. Okay. Then write it. So it is what? L2 minus L1, see this, L2 minus L1 means 50 minus 40. See this, L2 minus L1, that is 50 minus 40. N upon 2, you know, 50. Minus CF. CF is what? Earlier one. CF is of 34. Earlier one. 34. The whole upon F. F is what? Total. What is the total? F. Not whole. F is the frequency. So what is the frequency given? This 30. F. Respective frequency. Okay. So L1 plus L1 is what? This 40 plus this is 10 into 50 minus 34, 16 upon 30. So you'll get this as 45.33. Okay, 45.33. So this is your median. This is your median. Got it? This is how you will find out the median. Remember, that's why this formula L1 plus L2 minus L1 into N upon 2 minus CF upon F. So always remember, if you in exam, if you don't have time, see here, I'm giving you a trick now. If you don't have time, then what will you do? This all doing all this numerical, but you don't have time. So always remember, your median will be near the class mark. Near the class mark. So what is the class mark of this? See this, 40 to 50 is the frequency. Okay. This 40 to 50 is the frequency. What is the class mark? 45. What is the median? 45.33. So your median will always be near the class mark. If in exam you don't have time, then check which answer is near class mark. Whichever answer is near the class mark, tick that as the correct answer. Okay. So always remember, your median will always be near the class mark. Okay. Got it, everyone? Next one. These are really difficult ones. Now we have come to the difficult problems. Okay. Find a median. Similar one. Look at this. X is given, F is given. Okay. X is given, F is given. Write it. X and F. Okay. Now, Now the difference, look at the difference between this problem and the earlier problem. See this problem and the earlier problem. Here you had a class mark 20 to 30, 30 to 40, okay? But here you don't have the class mark. You have directly x, whatever that given is, that is x. And frequency is as it is. Frequency was here also, here also. So this is the easier one. Whenever you have only x rather than that 30 to 40, 40 to 50, this is very easy. You just write the frequencies 14, 20, all this, and go on adding this cumulative. So 14 is 14, 14 plus 20, 34, 34 plus 40, 74, 74 plus 50, 128. Go on adding this up to 200. What do we want? N upon 2. We always want this n upon 2. So n upon 2 is what? 100. Where will it lie? 100 will lie between 74 and 128. Look at this. 74 and 128. So take the other one, next one. 6 means 128. Take this 128 class. So find the x of this. This x 6. Okay. So 6 will be the median. 128 is just exceeding, whatever just exceeds just above the n upon 2. So get the x of that. So this x is known as the median. See this. The value of x corresponding to CF 128 is 6, which is the median. Okay. So median will be this x. Okay. Got it? Got it, everyone? Chalo. Next one. Find the median of the following. Median. See this. This is the difficult one. Why? Because what are you having over here? Class interval is given. Whenever you have class interval, remember the problem is difficult. There you have to use that difficult formula. L1 plus L2 minus L1, all that. Okay. So now look at this. Class interval is given. First find out this 5 to 9 you write it, and then find out the class mark. Now for finding this class mark, yesterday I told you something. Whenever you have the data, what is this data? This data is of inclusive type or exclusive type? You guys tell me. Is this data inclusive type or exclusive type? 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19. Correct? So this is inclusive data. Why inclusive? Because the ends are not matching. Look at the ends. Here it is ending at 9 and here it is starting at 10. It is not same. So whenever these are not same, it means it is inclusive. So this is inclusive data. I have to convert this to exclusive. How to convert this? Exclusive means 0.5 on this side, 0.5 on this side. So this will be my new class. See this. 5 to 9 will become 4.5 and 9.5. 4.5 and 9.5. 10 to 14 will become this below one, 9.5 to 14.5. So one thing you must always note, the end should match. 9.5, 9.5, 14.5, 14.5. So always remember, you have to convert inclusive to exclusive. You have to convert inclusive to exclusive. Always remember this. You cannot solve any statistics problem or this frequency problem with inclusive data. You have to convert it to exclusive. Okay? And how to convert it? 0.5 here, 0.5 there. Okay? So now, use this now. 14.5 to, now look at this. Now once you get this, forget this. This is of no use to you now. It is out. This is out. Focus on this only. Now again use the same. This is your class. Frequency is given to you. 8, 18, 27 and all this. Find out the cumulative frequency. 8 equals to same 8. Then 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 7, 27. 53 plus so on and so forth. Go on. So what is the total? If you do the total of this, 8 plus 18 plus this, you are getting it as 99. So what do you want? N upon 2. N upon 2 is 99 upon 2. So it is what? 49.5. See this. N upon 2. 49.5. So 49.5 will lie between what? 26 and 53. Between this it will lie. So this 53 means what? What is the x corresponding this? 14.5 to 19.5. So this is your class. 14.5 to 19.5. So now you have got it again. L1 is what? 14.5. L2 is what? 19.5. Okay. Then what? N upon 2 is you got it. 49.5. CF is what? The earlier one. CF is this earlier. 26. So now you have got it everything. L1 plus L1, L2 minus L1. So that is 5. See, the difference is 5 everywhere. This is known as class width. So 5 into 49.5 minus 26 upon 27. What is 27? 27 is this frequency. 27. Got it? So now do this calculations. You'll get it as 18.85. Got it? Median of this group data is difficult one. Median of group data is difficult one. Okay? See this. Find the median over two halves. Again, this is ungrouped data. This is very easy, isn't it? Find the median of the two halves. Ungrouped data. What is it given? 1, 2, 2, 2, something, some numbers are given. So basically you are asked to find out the quartile of this. So how do you find out the quartile? Again, for quartile, use the same rule. One, it is even. Second, it is odd. So how many numbers are there? Look at this. 5, 5, 5, 5. 20 numbers. So you have to find out the quartile. So first find out the three parts of this. Q1, Q2, Q3. First find out where will they lie. First arrange all the numbers in the serial order. First step should be arrange the numbers in the serial order. Now look at this. If you have these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then it's very easy, serial order. But if you have the same number repeating, see this 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. So arrange them in serial order means you have to write the same numbers in front of each other. All the numbers. Okay. Now write Q1, Q2, Q3. 20 numbers. So center is Q2. Center is Q2 between 5 and 6. Q1 means what? Again, fifth number. See this. This is 20. So 20 upon 4. Fifth number is Q1 after fifth. So 2, 2, 2, 2 after this, write Q1. After 5, write Q2. And after this 7, write Q3. Check 5, 5 numbers. 5, 5, 5. And last one should also be 5. Okay. So you have got it Q1, Q2, Q3. How to find out Q1? Average 2 plus 3 upon 2. 2 plus 3 upon 2. Got it? See this. 2 plus 3 upon 2. 2.5. How to find out Q2? 5 plus 6 upon 2. How to find out Q3? 7 plus 8 upon 2. So it is 7.5. Isn't it? So that is easy. Why it is easy? Because this is ungrouped. See here, always remember. Whenever you are having ungrouped data, ungrouped is always easy. Grouped is always difficult. Grouped is really difficult. Got it? So this is even. So that's why you have all this central, you have to take the average. Suppose if I give you odd numbers, means look at this, odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 numbers I give you. Whenever you have odd numbers, it's very easy. First find out the central number. Arrange them in serial order. Central number, this is 5. So two parts you have done. This is Q2. Now Q1. Again, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Leave this. Leave this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So again central number 4, Q1. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Central number 9, Q3. Very easy. So remember, ungrouped data is always easy. Okay. Now the difficult part is group data. Grouped. This is grouped. This is really difficult. For this you will have to remember that formula again. L1 plus L2 minus L1 into n upon 2 minus that CF upon F. Okay. That formula you'll have to remember. So let's write it down. See this. Find the 3 quartiles. 10 to 15, 15 to 20. All these are given. Same problem. Is this a continuous data? Is this this exclusive or inclusive? 15, 15 matching, 20, 20 matching, exclusive. So you can carry on. If this was not matching, you would have done this exclusive first. Okay. So you got this X CI. Fine, write this X. This X is actually of no use. This X is of no use. You don't require it anywhere. But then also, if they ask you, you can find it. Center of these numbers. Okay. Frequency F. F means what? All this. What? 12, 28, blah, 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 all this. Cumulative frequency. Addition. 12, 12. 28 plus 12, 40. 40 plus 36, 76. 76 plus 50, 126, and so on. If you add these again, these frequencies, you'll get it as 200. But what do you want now? Now you look at it. Earlier you required only median. Now you require 3 parts. Quartiles. So you require Q1, Q2, Q3. So this n also, don't find out only n upon 2. See this. Pay attention everyone. Huh? Now you don't find out only n upon 2. Now you require what? 3 numbers you require. So this, it will be divided into 3 parts now. Isn't it? This is my total n. Okay, n. So first what will I do? N upon 2. Median or quartile 2. Q2. Right? Then over here n upon 4. Q1. And what is this? This is very really difficult. It is 3n upon 2. Remember this. This you will always forget. So this is Q3. So you want these 3. N upon 4, n upon 2 and 3n upon 2. Okay. So you find out all these. 200. 200 means n upon 4. So 50. Where is 50 lying? So you'll have to find the same formula again for all the 3. Same formula for all the 3. Okay. So now Q1. So 50. So where is 50 lying? Between 40 and 76. So you'll take this 76 one. This one. This one you will take it for Q1. So what is L1 now? L1. You have to find out Q1 now. What is L1? You give me, guys, what is L1 over here? 3n upon 2 it should be. Sirish, it should be 3n upon... n upon 2. No. Correct. 3n upon 4. Yeah. Correct. It should be 3n upon 4. Correct. Very good. 3n upon 4. One second. 3n upon 4. See here, actually it's like this. This, we shouldn't write it like this. It is 1n upon 4. Then 2n upon 4 and 3n upon 4. It should be like this. 1n upon 4, 2n upon 4 and then 3n upon 4. That's simple now. n upon 4, n upon 4, n upon 4. 1, 2, 3. Correct? So that is the basic logic. But this 2 and 4 gets cancelled. That's why we write it n upon 2. So now get this Q1. First find out for Q1. What is L1 and L2? Look at this. L1 and L2. I'll write it all of them over here. How much space do we have? Let me see. Is it on my head? Yeah. See this. Q1. Q1 is what? 25 minus 20. Okay. For Q2, what is it? Q2 means what? 100. Where is 100 lying? 76 and 126. So it is 25 minus 30. Oh, I made a mistake? Yeah. Correct. For Q1 it is 50 you wanted. So 40 and 76. So 20 to 25. So this is 20 to 25. Q2 is what? 100 you wanted. So 25 to 30. 25 to 30. Where will it lie? See this, 100 will lie between 76 and 126. So 25 to 30. And last one, Q3 is what? 150. So it will lie between this. So 30 to 35. Once you get this, then the problem is easy. Just apply the same formula for all the three. Look at this. Look at this. This, where is it? Yeah. Q1, L1 plus L2 minus L1, n upon 4. You look at this. You want Q1. That's why n upon 4 you took it. Minus CF upon F. Same formula. So L1 was what? This was L1. What was this? This. 20 to 25 you wanted. So L1 was 20. 25 was L2. And CF was the earlier one. Earlier means 40. So look at this. 20 plus 25 minus 20 into 50 n upon 4 minus 40 CF cumulative frequency upon F. F was 36. Look at this, 36. Same formula repeated. Do it, you'll get it Q1. Similarly Q2. L1 plus L2. What is now this 25 to 30? So L1 is 25, L2 is 30. CF is earlier one, 76. F is 50. So use this same again. 25 plus L1, L2 minus L1, 30 minus 25. N upon 2 is 100. CF is 76 upon F. You'll get this. Similarly this. Third one. This is my 30 to 35. So 30 is L1, 35 is L2. F is 25. CF is 126. So use this same 34.8. Got it? Got it? Chalo, we'll stop over here. Tomorrow we'll continue with the same topic, last part, and then the next topic also. I think the correlation will also be done tomorrow. Chalo, bye everyone. Tomorrow 7 p.m. dot. Okay. Today they started some late. There was a technical error. So from tomorrow we'll be starting at exact 7. There was some technical problem today. Okay. Tomorrow dot 7. Everyone watching on YouTube, do join the paid batches immediately. How to join them? Let me show you. See this. If you have not joined, kindly join it again. Let me show you how to join it. Those who are on YouTube, see here, today is the last batch. Remember this. Last batch for your paid free classes. Okay, on YouTube. Tomorrow it won't be available to you. So how to join this? See this. Go to Adda247. Always go through the app. Okay. Always go through the app. Let me take you. One sec. Where is it? One sec. There's some technical problem, it seems. Now it has started. Say this. Go to Adda247. Yeah. Click on JIB and CAIIB. Click on CAIIB June 24. Clicked. Look at this. CAIIB July 24. Okay. Ebooks, test series. See this. Ebooks and test series. Everyone who is in the paid class also, kindly read these ebooks. You get many objective questions also over here. Test series. Many objective questions. Okay. Go through it. Then look at the offer. Right now, huge offer is going on. Click on buy now. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. Okay. You'll get this 79% off plus 1% extra on the app. Never forget this. 80% off you're getting. You can join the Mahapacks also. Yeah, Shirisha. See, your practice is needed for this because this is really difficult. If you join the Mahapacks, look at this. You are getting double validity right now. Great offer is going on. Huh? Double validity means you buy for 6 months, you get it for 12. You buy for 12, you get it for 24. And 80% off is there. This year, these are limited time offers. They don't come every now and then. Huh? Buy now, put the code Y432. See, this 79% off plus 1%, 80. Okay? So don't miss this and do the practice. Everyone do the